was founded a year after he died, and there are many people who said that this is fine, but why don't you have a memorial trust for objects which were, of course, one was public education, financial literacy, partly overlap of the forum. But if forum was not there, this would, because there was no organization. Then it was for publishing biographies of famous people, and elocution contests and the others, because he was a professor, part-time professor in Sydenham College. So Keep the Memory On started in a small way. Now we are much better organized, because we have so many trusts support. You see, Palkhiwala Trust is there, they have a large corpus. Any forum is there, M.R. Pai Trust is there, all have their separate niche. And now everybody is supporting. Piramal's, Godrej is supporting Palkhiwala Trust. And ACC and Tatas gave large corpus donation to Palkhiwala Trust. And because Palkhiwala, if there is a body, it can carry on. So we provide the infrastructure, the word which has become common. And Pai was central, and he trained up. One of Pai's great contribution was Divakara. It was a great helper when Mr. Palkhiwala had his strokes and was getting very inactive. He approached me, and I took on first the Leslie Sony Foundation for Democracy. He asked me to take over, and then the Forum of Free Enterprise. He asked me to preside at a meeting, and then followed him. Then A.D. Shroff Memorial Trust, for a year or two, Deepak Parakh was there. So Deepak says, you are a natural choice, and I've got so many things in it. It requires more attention. By that time, I was the executive vice chairman of the JK Group, very involved with Raymond and going abroad. And Malegaon is associated with the A.D. Shroff Memorial Trust. Adi Godrej is there, Deepak Parakh is there. They're all senior to me, my colleagues, but I'm there. And in Forum also we have got a battery of, but people, active involvement is involved, giving money, raising money. So we have built up quite a solid corpus now, and I also go and speak at various, you see, people with vast experience are very few. It's difficult to go across now. So we have, he's got an assistant who was with ICICI, Swati Kapadia. She's also very helpful. So at least in our periphery and even to southern states, most colleges call us. So we have mobilized several trainers, and we get very laudatory remarks of this. People have never had like good grooming, effective speaking, time management. He was very, very particular about time management. Even now, Divakara gets very impatient when we start a minute late, whether there is audience or not. He's training from Pai, because both Mr. Shroff and Mr. Palkhiwala were immaculate about keeping time and keeping their commitments. They went round the country, they spoke to people, opened their eyes. But you see, now that things have opened up, Forum's role is on the economic literacy and so on. Our booklets are very much appreciated. We have memorial lectures too, one A.D. Shroff by Forum. Now we have decided to have one. Difficult, all people who are worthwhile have, if you see our booklets. Whenever I write to anybody worthwhile, he'll say, oh, if people like governors of Reserve Bank, ex-finance ministers have all come on your platform, how can I say no? Like Subbarao. When he couldn't come, he said, look, can I do it next year? He rang me up himself. So you see, it has that brand image.